What's going on, Shiba Inu holders? Just about 48 hours to go for some major news in crypto. And in fact, it was supposed to be closed yesterday, but it affected everything. I'm sure I'm not the only one watching the charts, watching the prices. And Shiba Inu, we were this close of 402, came down a little bit. So what I want to do, guys, by the end of this video is I'm going to tell you really what's going on, right? Because there's so much happening and some positions open, some positions liquidated, people are trading, and it's really exciting. Plus, Shaitoshi Kusama replied to me on a question about the event ShibaCon, and I want to tell you that story. And Lucy is also speaking on some major news and updates for Shiba Inu. Don't go anywhere, guys. Go ahead and smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Like I'm saying right now, prepare because we could have some volatility as always, but that's the reason why we're here, right? If you want to trade, you want to buy, you want to sell, it's up to you, but it's super fun. And don't forget to take a look at Margex's first link down below to 10,000 welcome bonus. We are crushing it too as well with some positions. We'll get to that. Now, the prices of everything you see kind of like the last 24 hours is a little bit of, slight retracement, which is totally fine. You might wonder, well, so what happened, Oscar? Like, I mean, Shiba Inu, we was kind of like going fine. And then in the 1 hour chart, we finally start to see some breaking of the Neo cloud. So tell us, not a problem. 48 hours for, there you go, the SEC filing appeal in Ripple. Now you're like, Oscar, that is XRP. Yes, but because this has so much weight and it is XRP, it affects everything. I mean, I'm going to give this the benefit of the doubt that it's the reason why we had tons of volatility in the last few hours. Why? Well, because, guys, there's this notice form C in the appeal that the SEC, the Securities Exchange Commission, was supposed to be filed on the 16th at the end of the day, yesterday. But according to this document file, the notice of appeal was filed on the 2nd, but it was docketed on the 4th. So it was kind of like received on the 4th. And it seems that the deadline, the actual deadline is in 2 days, in 48 hours, tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. So not yesterday, but tomorrow. And people, I mean, because everybody, not me, but lawyers and even reporters and everybody, like the community in this, in XRP was like, so is it dismissed? And XRP was going higher and higher. I mean, it was getting momentum. Now, new heard back from the SEC this morning. According to a spokesperson, the appeal is proceeding normally and documents will be filed soon. So they will file Form C and the appeal will continue. Therefore, we are going to see in 48 hours from now that Form C, and this is going to translate into some more volatility to the market that will affect XRP, Bitcoin, and possibly to Shiba Inu. That's what I'm talking about here. So could it be bearish? We're already expecting it. So I'm sure that the market could have already priced in that update, but still, I think it's important, as we are seeing right now, how the entire market, changing a little bit in some of the percentage points, as you can tell right there. And we can feel it. If you're trading, right, I mean, that 7% drop could have liquidated some of you, depending on what leverage you're using, right? But it is good for me to tell you, oh, I don't have it open. Go ahead and open Margex right now for us. Go to trade, and let me show you how my Shiba Inu position is doing. Like, just to give you an idea, everybody was looking at this one, right? And if we go to Shiba Inu right now, I have it here open too. This is what Shiba Inu is. So my position is in the positive for SHIB, which is really nice. I gotta open more Shiba Inu positions, but you notice how it was going higher and it came down a lot. So this is not a bad entry for me to start another Shiba Inu position, because we have come down significantly and I wanted to start something here. So I know this one could be saved and it will not be liquidated. And I'm just going to be getting more and more money as we go higher. So sign up in the first link down below, guys. It's a great place for you to start trading and adding some more positions. No KYC. And like I said, 60 plus of us were already daily having some fun on this one. It's leverage, so be cautious as always, but it's really cool to be in this. And I'm using, of course, here it is, my PPF indicator, which it means that it gives me a little bit more of an advantage, right, to understanding how long and when to stay in positions. If I see that we're already overbought, we're already passing some levels. So it is the second link down below. If you're interested, Shiba Inu holders, go ahead and do so. Check it out. 30 days risk free, and it really helps a lot of people who are into this business of investing because we love it. So you already have some great information right there. When it comes to Shiba Inu 2, we have the following. So that's what's coming in 48 hours. So prepare, as always. I think this weekend will be pretty fun, right? Shaitoshi replied to my message about, the cancellation, the postpone. They postponed ShibaCon, and he's like, they're changing their location, and they will explain more details once the new location is revealed. So Thailand, Bangkok, it seems that it's no longer going to be the conference location, and they're selecting a new location. So that's what he replied to me on a DM here, and I'm like, okay, perfect. So definitely it wasn't well received on my initial feedback when I was looking at all the comments, because people were like, come on, really, what happened? So we'll see at the end of the day, based on what he told me. They're going to explain, really, because I think the Shiba Inu army had a lot. I mean, come on, less than a month to go for that conference, and people were like, oh, is it canceled? So yes. So we'll see what the new one is. They haven't really replied to much. We also have the Shiba Inu governance update. Team member reveals crucial developments. And that team member is going to be Lucy, that she says the DAO and the foundation are coming soon. The time is almost here as we approach 2025, 2024 launch. The ecosystem is on the verge of some transformation that will put the power into the hands of the real holders, not trolls or fodders on Telegram, not ex-trolls. The introduction, right? So that's what Lucy's saying, meaning, guys, that as you know, the DAO, like the more DAO tokens you have, the more voting power you're supposed to have. And something that the Shiba Inu community, the leaders per se, the devs, they're making sure it happens. So bottom line, Shiba Inu holders, right now, Shiba Inu price continues to stay consolidated. But if you are paying attention to the charts like we are doing here on this channel, we're already up. We're already up a little bit, and we're trying to get higher levels. And if we come down, we always take the opportunity to come in, because we're already up 100% on this position, which is pretty neat. And you always want to be making money. So the tokens, the prices, really, I think everything is still, the same. But get ready. There's more to come, and I'll keep you updated. Like and subscribe, guys. Make sure that you turn on those notification bells so you don't miss any update. But as of right now, Shiba Inu and Ripple and the SEC, oh man, it's crazy, but everybody's watching. Peace.